Ready to transform your coding chaos into collaborative control? First, let's create your GitHub account. Open your web browser and navigate to github.com, where you will find a sign-up form on the home page. Fill in your desired username, a valid email address, and a strong, secure password. Then follow the prompts to complete the account creation process, including any verification steps they require. Next up, we need to install Git on your computer. Head over to github.com and download the appropriate version of Git for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, run the installer, accepting the default settings for a straightforward installation, unless you have specific preferences. Now, let's configure Git with your GitHub identity. Open your command line or terminal. Type git config global username your GitHub username, replacing your GitHub username with the username you chose when creating your account, and press enter. Then, type git config global usermail your @email.com, replacing your @email.com with the email address you used to sign up for GitHub, and press enter. Congratulations, you've successfully set up GitHub. Now you're ready to start creating repositories, committing code, and collaborating with developers worldwide.